This is from an era 100 years ago when engineering was a trade, not a science, so we're having to reuse tools that engineers haven't used or thought of in a long time. And my name is David O'Lungy. I'm an engineering manager at the Portland Water Bureau, and I'm a champion for the restoration of the Thompson Elk Fountain. This is unique because it's turning the tables on engineering. Here, engineer supports the art. In order to be faithful to the restoration, we did two things. We tried to reuse as much of the old stone as we could, but then reach out to the old quarry and extract from there the original source material so that we're actually faithfully having the same stone, both new and old, together. And that took a long time because that stone had to be extracted and shipped out here. That was a 6-month journey. We decided that we were going to recirculate the water. The original one, the almost 6 million gallons a year, ran to the Willamette River when it was finished flowing. This time we captured that, and we're now recirculating the water in an electric pump that we had to find a home for in the street. I think it means a lot to different people. For me, it reminds me of where Portland came from. A city in the forest by the river. Earth, wind, fire and water all coming together, forged by fire and wind, stone extracted from the earth and then tied together with water. So it's a timeless story of human hands crafting something beautiful in a busy street that we can either stop and reflect at or keep going, but it will be there for us if we need it.